Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video explaining some stuff. Um, Probably a lot of people know about this, but I just done it. I just got the MacBook Air and with the M1 chip, and I have the iPad 2020 model without the M1 chip. But I just want to show the sidecar option on it and show how it's done pretty much. But yeah. Okay, so basically from your MacBook Air home screen, you can go up to the Apple icon, go down to System Preferences, go to Sidecar. After that, click on it, then you'll do a select device. Anything that's compatible will pop up here. Here's the iPad. And boom, the iPad came on, and there. You can move these two items, or this item here, back and forth across from your MacBook Air to your iPad Pro 2020 model. But yeah, that's it. I mean, it functions great. I'm fairly new to all this. I'm new to making YouTube videos. So yeah, that was the sidecar function for the MacBook Air and iPad 2020 model, and well, MacBook Air M1 chip model. But they are compatible with each other using the sidecar. Like I said, I'm kind of new to all this stuff. I don't know a lot of terms and definitions, but I did want to show like how to do it and that it works. So maybe if anybody was trying to figure this out or maybe didn't know about the option, I'm sure a lot of people do, but maybe for that one person out there that didn't know about it, it could help. But my name's Zach, and I hope everybody has a fabulous day or night, and try to love one another. Thank you. Bye.